Ever walked past a street vendor, craved that delicious snack, but realized you only had your card? Or maybe you're a small business owner struggling to accept digital payments because of the high costs and complex setups. These are everyday problems for millions across Africa, and it's precisely the problem Moka Bank is trying to solve. But how exactly does it work? That's what we're diving into today. For a long time, the traditional banking system has left a significant portion of the population behind. Many people, especially in emerging markets, remain unbanked or underbanked. This means they lack access to basic financial services like savings accounts, loans, and, crucially, digital payment options. This exclusion creates a major barrier to economic participation and growth. Imagine trying to run a business without being able to easily receive payments from customers. Or trying to save for the future without a secure place to store your money. These are the realities for a large part of the population. This is where fintech companies like Moka Bank step in. They leverage technology to bridge the gap between traditional finance and the underserved. They aim to provide accessible, affordable, and convenient financial solutions to everyone, regardless of their background or location. Moka Bank, in particular, focuses on simplifying digital payments and providing access to financial services for both individuals and small businesses. So, let's break down how Moka Bank works. At its core, Moka Bank functions as a digital financial services platform. It's designed to be accessible primarily through mobile phones, making it incredibly convenient for users in regions where mobile penetration is high. This mobile-first approach is key to reaching a wider audience. For individual users, Moka Bank offers several core features. One of the most important is the ability to make and receive payments. This can be done in various ways, including through QR codes, USSD codes, and even through partnerships with local agents. This flexibility is crucial because it caters to different levels of technological access and literacy. Imagine you're at a local market. A vendor has a Moka Bank QR code displayed on their stall. You simply open your Moka Bank app, scan the code, enter the amount, and confirm the transaction. It's fast, secure, and eliminates the need for physical cash. This is a huge advantage in environments where carrying large sums of cash can be risky. Another key feature for individuals is the ability to save money. Moka Bank offers digital savings accounts that allow users to securely store their funds and even earn interest. This is a significant improvement over keeping cash at home, which is vulnerable to theft and inflation. By providing a safe and accessible way to save, Moka Bank encourages financial planning and empowers individuals to build a more secure future. Beyond payments and savings, Moka Bank also provides access to other financial services, such as microloans and insurance. These services are often unavailable or difficult to obtain through traditional banks, especially for those with limited credit history. By offering these services through its platform, Moka Bank empowers individuals to access the financial tools they need to improve their lives and businesses. Now, let's shift our focus to how Moka Bank works for businesses, particularly small and medium-sized enterprises, SMEs. For these businesses, accepting digital payments is crucial for growth and competitiveness. However, setting up traditional payment systems can be expensive and complex. Moka Bank simplifies this process significantly. By partnering with Moka Bank, businesses can easily accept digital payments from their customers. This can be done through various methods, such as QR codes, USSD, and point-of-sale, POS, systems. This flexibility allows businesses to cater to a wide range of customers and payment preferences. Imagine a small restaurant. By displaying a Moka Bank QR code at the counter, they can easily accept payments from customers who use the Moka Bank app. This eliminates the need for cash handling, reduces the risk of theft, and provides a more convenient payment experience for customers. In addition to accepting payments, Moka Bank also provides businesses with tools to manage their finances more effectively. This includes features like transaction tracking, sales reporting, and even access to business loans. These tools empower businesses to make better financial decisions and grow their operations. One of the key advantages of Moka Bank for businesses is its affordability. Compared to traditional payment systems, Moka Bank offers significantly lower transaction fees. This is a huge benefit for small businesses with tight margins, allowing them to save money and reinvest it back into their operations. Another important aspect of Moka Bank's operation is its focus on security. The platform utilizes advanced encryption and security protocols to protect user data and transactions. This ensures that users can confidently use the platform without worrying about the safety of their funds or information. So, to recap, Moka Bank works by providing a mobile-first digital financial services platform that caters to both individuals and businesses. For individuals, it offers features like payments, savings, and access to other financial services. For businesses, it simplifies the process of accepting digital payments and provides tools for financial management. Moka Bank's success is driven by several key factors. One is its focus on accessibility. By leveraging mobile technology and offering multiple payment options, it reaches a wide audience, including those who are traditionally excluded from the formal financial system. Another factor is its affordability. By offering lower fees than traditional banking services, it makes financial services more accessible to individuals and small businesses. This affordability is crucial for driving adoption and promoting financial inclusion. Finally, Moka Bank's focus on user experience is crucial. The platform is designed to be simple, intuitive, and easy to use, even for those with limited technological literacy. This makes it easier for people to adopt and use the platform, further driving its growth and impact. Moka Bank is not operating in isolation. It's part of a larger movement of fintech companies revolutionizing financial services across Africa and other emerging markets. These companies are using technology to address the challenges of financial inclusion and empower individuals and businesses to participate more fully in the economy. The impact of these fintech solutions, including Moka Bank, is significant. By providing access to financial services, they empower individuals to save, invest, and build a more secure future. They also enable businesses to grow, create jobs, and contribute to economic development. The future of fintech in Africa is bright. As technology continues to advance and mobile penetration increases, we can expect to see even more innovative solutions emerge. These solutions will continue to drive financial inclusion, empower individuals and businesses, and contribute to economic growth across the continent. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.